Oh, so this is a tough one. So let me give you a little help with it because it's hard to find that quadratic. So your 2 points should be this point right here. If you plug in 500 and you take 6% of that, you should get 30. And same goes here. This should be negative 500, and then 9% of that should be 45. So those are your 2 points, x and y. Okay, and then your function looks like this, ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, normally what you do is you plug in the x and the y value here and here and here, and then you get an equation, a, b, and c in it. And then you do it again, you plug in this, and then you have an equation a, b, and c, and you try and solve the system. The problem is you got 3 unknowns and you only have 2 equations, so you can't do it. But since we know the derivative values here, that's what's going to help us, okay? Since these are 6% and 9%, the actual value of the derivative here, that is f prime at 500, is 0.06 to 5. Okay, so watch what we can do here to eliminate the c. So the derivative would be 2ax plus b, and now I'm going to be able to solve for a and b, okay? So once I do that, I can plug in the points. So that is the derivative when x is, so you got to be careful. I'm not plugging in the y value of 30. I'm plugging in the y prime value of 0.06. So the derivative when x is 500 is 0.06. Okay, and then same thing goes for this other one. The derivative, this has to be negative 0.09. All right, as my slope is decreasing there. 2a, when x is negative 500, the derivative is negative 0.09. Okay, so now you got a system of equations to solve. So you'll have to kind of remember how to do that guy. Well, actually, this is set up pretty good. Look, if you add, remember one of the methods, you probably haven't done this in a while, but one of the methods is to add these together. So this is going to be negative 1000a, and that's going to be a positive 1000a. So when you add those together, let's see, 0.03 equals 2b. It'll allow you to solve for b, right? So you got this guy, check. And then once you solve for b, you can plug it in here or here, doesn't matter, and allow you to solve for a, check. So now you have a and b, and all you need to do is to find c. Okay, so in order to find c, well, once you have a and b, you'll have those as your parameters. They're always whatever you get from by doing this. And then if you want to solve for c, just take this point and plug it in, or either point, doesn't matter. You should get the same value. Plug a 500 here, here, and the 30 here is finally we can use the 30, and you have a value for A, you have a value for B, and that should allow you to solve for C. So I hope that helps, but let me know if you still have questions.